in New Orleans, we talked about how player development is everybody's goal on the property. And it was really more about spreading that culture of player development. But in this particular boot camp, we're really talking about creating your marketing plans for success. And so you're taking this conversation a step forward, and it really is, how do you plan? Because it's great to say, look, everybody's got to develop players, but how do you plan to make that part of something that's official and a program?
Yeah, yes, exactly. And there has been like a decrease in staffing and even in player development. And as a property, your whole goal is to make more revenues.
Yes.
No matter if it's through food and beverage or player development or other avenues, but your overall goal is, how can I gain more loyalty? How can I get more people in the door? How can I extend their play? How can I get them to bring more people with them? And I think taking a budget from, taking those points and putting them into everybody's budget that touches a player, which is food and beverage, slots, table games, players club, minus player development, because they have their own agenda and like focus. But I think the whole property can find a targeted area of players and say, this month I'm going to reward these players, or I'm going to greet these players this way, or I'm going to ask everyone, do you have a players club card? If you don't, hey, can I sign you up? Or let me get someone over here where you are, so that you don't have to go anywhere, even if they're in a food and beverage outlet, or anywhere on the property, even at hotels, trying to upsell, learning people's names, building relationships. I actually just wrote in my notes before coming here or before talking with you, that if cash is king, then greetings are a queen. And
I think that's a t-shirt.
Right?